Tut Black, what's going on? We hadn't done one of these unboxings in 2 years, so it's been too long. Technically a year and a half, so we're gonna do this real quick. Money's coming. Let's go. If you notice, this is a rather small compared with used to. So let's do this one in the middle first. We got the green. Let's just say the turquoise and green. He's my little girl. I already put him on the feet. Let's let you guys see him up close and in person. A little zipper to help get in. 10C for her. This is actually pretty stiff, so it's not cheap material at all. This feels very, very, very well stitched together. So yeah, she loves him. He's actually a little bit bigger than what she wears right now, and I intentionally did that because we know how kids are. 2 weeks later, they need some more shoes. I don't want to be like that with these because my plan is to take them to the Black Panther, go see Black Panther together. I got Negash. I want them to have Negash. And so, yeah. So we got the blue. 12C. This is my youngest son. Of course, these are the Kingtuts. Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. That's just from the factory. They glue the soles down. I can get that come off. But look at that zipper, man. Shining and glistening. I ain't gonna zip these yet. Okay, I'm gonna zip this on the gym. That's why I saw him saying this. Okay, there we go. There we go. So inside these 12C. He loves it. Materials on point. That's a design cue, all else is different. So with this one, the pink, the pink one rose color. The pipe right here is pretty much contrast, so he's dope for that. And this one's the same color as the shoe. And so this is these are pairs number 5, 6, and 7. Because I own 4 pair myself. And of course I had a sale. So I decided to jump on it. Now these are gonna go back because these are from my oldest, but I bought them too small. He's in a 1 year. I'm buying him in 2 years so he can wear it for a while because his feet, he's gonna be a big foot boy. Let you see. So if you can, black 12C. Same thing with zipper. It's nice. Doesn't feel cheap, like I said, solid material. He's dope. My babies like him too. And my oldest boy, he's understand. I said, son, I got him too small. I have to send him back. And send him back and get you the right size. So let's one more time for the one time. Before maintenance get back and mess up my video. Sorry about that, y'all, my bro. I said before maintenance mess up my video. And lo and behold, my brother calls and messed up my video. I hope it saved it. I'm about to get a dedicated camera because that is so annoying. Bam. Super dope. So check them out. They're on sale for $10. I think they're phasing them out. Just getting rid of the last of the inventory, last of the stock, which is good because they normally they were priced at $35. So get your babies a pair while supplies last. If I come out a new fresh design this year, which as you can see, this design already helped them. So check them out. Negash. Stuff's above average. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Support my Patreon. Until next time, peace and blessings. I say.